Good morning. This is Joe Das, ang ating student driver for today ng B3S Driving School. Okay. Siya ngayon po ang nagpa-park. Mag-isa na lang po at naiintindihan niya na po ang kanyang ginagawa. Very good. So, maayos na mag-drive si Joe.
Do it!
JR.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Ayan po si Sir Joe, seryoso. Iniintindi mabuti kung anong ginagawa.